In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Cash App account from a different phone. Whether you've just switched to a new device or you're using someone else's phone temporarily, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes if you follow the steps carefully. Start by opening the Cash App on your new phone. If you don't already have it, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and download it. Once it's installed, open the app and wait for the login screen to appear. You'll see two options to sign in, one using your phone number and the other using your email address. You can choose whichever you originally used when creating your account. For this example, let's go with the email option. Type in your email address and tap Next. Cash App will immediately send a verification code to your email inbox. Open your email, look for the message from Cash App, and copy the code they sent. Then return to the Cash App, paste the code into the space provided, and tap Next. If you choose to log in with your phone number instead, the process works the same way. Cash App will text you a one-time verification code. Simply enter that code, and you'll be signed in. Once your login is verified, your Cash App account will open on the new phone, and all your information, including your balance, linked cards, and payment history, will automatically appear. You won't lose anything even if you were using a different device before. If you ever receive an error or can't access your account, tap Help at the bottom of the screen and choose the support option. Cash App support can help you recover your account or reset your login details if needed. That's it. That's how you log into your Cash App account from a different phone.